Welcome back, guys. Tall Fisherman Jay here, and today we are going to do part 2 of morning topwater fishing. Now, if you haven't already watched it, I do have a video. My last video was topwater fishing early morning. In the video, I didn't have enough time. I had about an hour or so to fish, and I didn't get to make it around this whole golf course pond. I pretty much fished right here in front of me and then along the bank right here about 20-30 yards. But today I'm gonna make myself all the way around this pond and see what I can pull out of here. If you haven't seen the last video of this exact pond, I'll leave the link in the description and there'll be an annotation in the video right now. So definitely go check that out. Let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be using the popper again. I was using this last time, and I also may be throwing a buzzbait as well. I'm seeing a lot of activity on the water, so this should be fun. Here we go, guys. First one. Yeah. First one of the morning. He hit it right as I was bringing it in. Really quick retrieve. There we go. On the popper. I wasn't even using the popper the correct way, actually. I was reeling it in pretty quick so I can recast. And he came up and swiped it. These guys are hitting. Really good morning. I'd say about a solid 1.5, 2 pounds. Sun is starting to make its way out. Good way to start off. Let's get some more, guys. All right, let's let this guy go. Been here about 10 minutes. He's my first catch. There he goes. Well, you guys, this is starting to look a lot like last time. I got a cichlid. Same thing as last time. First I caught a bass and then I caught a cichlid. Let's get him off the hook. All right, guys, let's let him go. Put up a good fight. Second fish of the day. Let's get some more. Whoa! Did you guys just see that? That gar just came completely vertical out of the water. Holy crap. I gotta check that footage. Just check the footage. I think my arm was in the way, like as I was trying to set the hook and it was covering the camera view, but I had a gar hit the popper, and as I was setting the hook, he completely came up vertical about a foot out of the water. It was so funny. I've never seen that before. There we go. Oh, there he goes. That may be the same gar that was jumping up earlier. Man, these gar hit hard. All right, guys, fast forward a little bit. The bite at the golf course slowed down. The TopWater bite kind of died down a little bit. I went, took a break, got something to eat. I know this video, the title is morning TopWater fishing, but we're gonna go ahead into the afternoon, continue on fishing. We're at a completely different location. I have fished here before, so let's see what we can get out of here. There we go. On the jerk bait. First catch in a while, guys. Nice little peacock bass. Super colorful. This guy's like, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Hold on, let me get him off the hook, guys. Nice little peacock bass. He's so beautiful. The colors on these fish are amazing. He's like a nice golden color. On the switch it up to a little jerk bait. Just let him go. Woo.
2 hours later.
All right, guys. After that peacock, I was fishing for about an hour, hour and a half, not getting anything. Right now it is currently 1:50. I've been fishing since 5 a.m. guys. This heat is killing me. I think it's about 92 degrees. I am done for the day, but we had a fantastic morning, a decent afternoon, caught some fish, gar, bass, peacock, cichlids, had an amazing day. So thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you next time.